Welcome to this video on the Samsung One UI 8.5 update, focusing on new features and Galaxy AI. We will specifically look at how One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy S26 Ultra helps mitigate display flicker and visual strain. This video details the key advancements in One UI 8.5, particularly those designed to improve display comfort and reduce eye strain for users of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Our approach to eye comfort is threefold: eliminating lag with smooth animations, controlling light using a customizable quick panel, and reducing clutter through ambient design. These three pillars ensure a viewing experience that is gentle on the eyes, offering a more comfortable and visually stable environment. One UI 8.5 provides smoother animations by optimizing system-wide transitions. This eliminates UI lag and screen flicker, resulting in swift and fluid navigation for your eyes. The optimization transforms microstutters into a continuous flow of fluidity, significantly enhancing the user interface experience and reducing visual irritation. With the customizable quick panel, you gain instant control over the light. The update allows you to resize and move the brightness bar, enabling effortless adjustment of display intensity. This feature puts control of display light levels directly into your hands, making it easier to manage brightness and reduce strain on your eyes in various lighting conditions. The seamless ambient design reduces visual distractions. Navigation bars blend into the screen during scrolls, allowing you to view content with a lower cognitive load. This design principle is key to a calm and focused viewing experience, eliminating unnecessary visual elements when reading or navigating applications. Intelligent app management addresses excessive ads that cause screen flashing and distraction. Device Care blocks apps with aggressive ads, ensuring a stable and calm viewing experience. By maintaining a high system health and blocking problematic advertisements, this feature contributes significantly to reducing interruptions and screen-related visual stress. The phone features the world's first mobile privacy display. The hardware controls the screen's viewing angle, limiting peripheral light and securing your data. This exclusive feature ensures that only the user directly in front can comfortably see the screen, adding a layer of privacy and reducing light pollution for others nearby. Introducing Now Nudge and Now Brief. Galaxy AI understands your context instantly, suggesting your next action automatically. This means you spend less time staring at the screen. Now Nudge interprets your context, such as a text message, provides an AI suggestion, and helps you complete the action quickly, minimizing screen time. Now Brief summarizes key information instantly across multiple sources, allowing you to catch up without prolonged engagement with different apps. The enhanced photo assist feature allows you to edit photos continuously in one session. The software eliminates repetitive saving steps. You can create perfect images with fewer visual interactions, streamlining the editing process and reducing the time spent manipulating the screen. The visual comfort upgrade in One UI 8.5 provides substantial improvements. Transitions now feature fluid, lag-free motion instead of standard animations. For light control, the previous fixed panel size is replaced with a resizable panel for instant access. Screen view moves from static status bars to disappearing ambient menus. These enhancements contribute to a visually comfortable experience, minimizing flicker, providing immediate control over light, and reducing screen clutter. We've covered the key features of the Samsung One UI 8.5 update, demonstrating how Galaxy AI and user interface improvements enhance visual comfort and efficiency. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this information helps you understand the benefits of the One UI 8.5 update on the Galaxy S26 Ultra.